Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to mathematics lesson presentation by Mr. Mwanya. Learning area mathematics, strand, numbers, substrand, expressing numbers in standard form, school, Molango Junior School. Today we are going to look at the standard form, how to express numbers into their standard form. So we start by asking ourselves, what is standard form? Before that, you should ask ourselves this simple question. Did you know that Earth is 4,543,000,000 years old? We know you skipped past all those zeros. So we give you a simpler way of saying it. Earth is 4.543 billion years. Do you see how reading numbers a certain way makes them easier to understand? That is why all the mathematicians in the world decided to agree on some rules on writing mathematical concepts so that it is convenient for everyone to read, write, and work with. Let us have a look at this number. This number is 113. How can you write it? Yes, this one it can be written as 1.13 times 10 raised to 2. Let's look at the standard form of some common mathematical elements. Whole numbers. Let's start with the whole numbers. You can define the standard form of whole number as follows. Any number that we can write as decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by above 10 is said to be in standard form. That is a number that we can write as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by above 10 is said to be in standard form. For example, take the number 123 million. As an easier way of writing this number is 1.23 times 10 raised to 8. If you observe carefully, 1.23 is a decimal number. Some examples of standard form of numbers. We have this number. This is a very big number here, 14,300,000. The standard form can be written as 1.43 times 10 raised to 7. 3,000 is in the standard form. In the standard form is 3 times 10 raised to 3. Some other examples like 1.8 times, this is a very big number, 10 raised to 13. Factoid, this term factoid, that is a scientific notation word. Factoid, the standard form, factoid, that is standard form, is also called scientific notation. Factoid, standard form, is also called scientific notation, depending on the mathematical lingo of the country you are in. In the United Kingdom and the countries that follow the same convention as United Kingdom, the term scientific notation is most commonly used, whereas in countries that follow the US convention majorly refer to this form of writing, the standard form. Yeah, I think the term factoid is stands for standard form. Let's have an example. Example 1. Consider that this number is a very big number. This number is a very big number. How can you write the standard form? First, write the first number 8. You have it. Step 2, add a decimal point after this number and write the remaining non-zero numbers like this. 8.19. Step 3, now count the number of digits after 8. Form. Real life examples of standard form. The the distance between the Sun and the Mars is 141,700,000 miles, or 228 million kilometers. This distance can easily be written in standard form as 1.417 times 10. This should be 10. This should be 10 raised to 8. 10 raised to 8 miles, or 2.28 times 10 raised to 8. Note, there's a mistake. This should be 10 raised to 8. Atoms are tiny units of matter composed of three fundamental particles, that is proton, neutron, and electron. A proton and a neutron weighs 1.67 times 10 raised to that big number, negative 27 kilograms. Then the weight of an electron is 9.11 times 10 raised to that negative 31 kilograms. Many other quantities, such as the size of planets, the size of microorganisms, the size of microchips, and the country's population in standard form. Thank you very much for listening to me. Bye bye.